KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, KG Auto, welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to be working on this 2009 is a Cadillac CTS. Apparently the fan has failed. In Africa we say radiator. You have to pronounce all the syllables. But in America it's a radiator. So the radiator fan has failed. How do I know that? So when the car is running, when you get to a certain kind of Fahrenheit, when the fan's supposed to kick in, the fan is not kicking in, so the car is overheating. So when I use a little hammer to tap the fan, then it starts spinning. So that means the motor of the fan has failed. That's what we're going to be doing, replacing the radiator fan. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Shout out to Brooklyn. Let's spread love in Brooklyn way. That's the way we do it. Consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. It takes one to know one, takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. That's the message I'm preaching. But having said that, KG, you know my slogan, I'm here to invigorate you. Let's go. We're getting it right now. So the fan is down here. So this vehicle, I've lost a lot of all these clips. Clips is missing. Don't hold me to that. So nothing here. We just yank this guy up like this. Maybe flip this boy over. Probably. Like that. Yeah. So the fan is gonna be here. So we're gonna take out this guy. Take out this cover right here. Put back the engine cover so that we don't put nothing in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off this airbox so we can be able to get to that fan right here. And bring my camera. I hope you can see. Yeah, you can see it anyway. So let me grab some tools. I'm ready to boogie down. Alright, so we're gonna, this one is right here. We'll slide this aside and we're gonna take out this guy right here. We're gonna use a flathead to do that. Go right here. I want to try to create some space. So we'll have enough room to bring that bad boy out. Shake that boy, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Take up this guy. Need some African food for something. So you have enough strength. Dokot. Okay, so we just put that aside right there. So this is the fan here. There's some bolts here. Probably I think I have to take out this guy. I'm not sure yet. So there's a connector here. I'm gonna bring this camera so you can see. Make sure that you see what I'm doing. So you see there's a connector right here, right? Let's squeeze this tab right here. And squeeze it. Here we go. So there's a bolt right down here at the corner right here. Let's see if I can get that for you. There's a bolt right here. See that? The bolt right here. And there's a bolt down here. Follow my hand. And you see that bolt right here is a 10. Then we have to disconnect this guy as well. And I believe the fan will be out. So there's a 10 here, like I was saying before. See right there? Hold on a second. I'm trying to get that for you right now. There's a 10, this 10 right here. Right there. out. That's the first one. Got my magnet, and there's another one here. It's in here, right? So this guy right here, you just have to squeeze. Hold on a second. So this guy right here is on the fan. Just have to squeeze this one out. It's just like a clip. See right there? Just squeeze it out there. Then that one will come out. I don't believe that this resistor comes with a fan. I'm not sure. But we're gonna go ahead and lose. There's another 10 right here. See right here. Let me take off that and bring you guys back. So there are 4 bolts holding this radiator fan. So there's one right underneath here. See where my tools is? On 6 o'clock right there. There's one at the bottom there, and on the other side too, there's one on the other side too. So there's, see right there? One right there, see that? That's one right there. And there's, I showed you before, there's one on top here, and there's one at the bottom too, like 6 o'clock. So once you do all of that, so the fan should be like wiggling on its way out. So let's see if we're successful bringing it out. Without noise, anything is trotting us, holding us. As you can see, there are some problem on the way.
What?
I gotta move some stuff. Really have to bend it somehow. I'm not sure. Yeah, the AC is putting it right here too. So there is some problem right here. Okay, we gotta figure out. Alright, KG, let me figure out how I'm gonna bring it out. So I'll let you guys know. So as you can see, the thing is almost on its way out. See the radiator hose right there? It's kind of blocking that thing there, so I believe I'm gonna have to take off that hose so it can come out easily. But even if we force it out on this side, it's touching right here too. See, even if I force it out going back in, it's gonna be rough. So let me take off the radiator hose and do it properly. The fan is out, so I have to move some hoses and stuff like that. It was just tough coming up straight. It's like you have to go on this angle to come out, you know. So let me bring the camera to show you the reason why it's in here. I didn't want it to lose something. All right. So if you come down here, see right here, the fan was like hooking up here. So this is the bolt that I was telling you about. See, one right here and one right here, and the other side too. One right here and one at the bottom there. But the thing is, you see, I have to disconnect this hose right there, because when the fan was coming out, I have to disconnect these two. It was just too much going on there, you know. Boys out, and I have to take out the airbox. Alright, KG, when the new one comes, we'll match it up. I will get back. Okay, so the fan is here. That's the boss here. That's the back number right here. 622930. So I'm gonna bring the fan. Here's the fan, right? So here's the old one. As you guys can see, you have this connector right here, and you have this one. So this one is a little different, but it's gonna work. So they have the built-in, it's built in, so you just have this connector here. See? Can you see the difference? So, boy, it will work. This one, I believe it came with a car. So this is manufactured. right, so we're gonna go in there and put this guy in. It's a little bit trickish to put it in, you know. So the way I took it out, let me bring the camera in. So the way I took it out was like this. I have to go like this. This is the way I took it out. So I'm still gonna try to see if I can be able to put it back in like that, you know. So we'll see if we can be able to put it back. So I need somebody, nobody's working. See, AJ always says, I need someone who is volunteering, nobody. This is the way I come out. Let's see if I can be able to be successful. But there's a hook here that really was giving me a call. So let me fight my way through and then I'll bring you guys back, okay? KG. Alright, so now we can put all this bolt now. I just want to make sure that I'm not missing anything here. Okay, so just put this bolt here. Lift up this. You might not be able to see it, but like I said, KG needs somebody to volunteer. Voluntary will make KG job more easy, so you guys can see better. Courtesy of KG. I'm gonna put the bottom board there now. Then hold tight. So that's it there. So I'm gonna tie it now. The bolt are out there. See right there. The bolt is there. So we're gonna go in there. See the bolt is there. So this guy right here. See this guy right here. Let me make sure you got it. Okay, this guy right here go on the seating right here. There's this two little hole there. Push this guy in there. That one is sitting. So now we're gonna reconnect this hose and then push this back in here, just like that. I'll pretty much do it. All right. Keep your hand clear. So everything is back in there, snug in really good. You know, so I just need to put this cover. Like I said, I'm gonna put some antifreeze in it because I disconnected that hose to make my life more easy. All right, KG. All right, this will be it on this episode. As you can hear behind me there, that's a fan running there. Everything looks good so far. Please consider subscribing. Support in any way you can. I would really appreciate it. KG signing off. Love you. Peace.